What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kara Janae. This video is going to be a little different from my norm. I know I usually do all the voiceovers and everything like that, but today we gonna do it live and in action. So let go. So today I want to do a tutorial on Juvia's Place, the Saharan palette, one of those. But I've used this palette like once or twice. It's really gorgeous, by the way, too. Like, it's really cute. And I just want to do a whole look using this palette because it's pretty cute. And I just want to do something new, you know what I'm saying? And as a disclaimer, I am not a professional, so please don't do me, don't come for me, okay? This is a learning experience. We about to do this together. Alright, I was thinking of doing like a cute little transition color, so I'm gonna use this color Taza. I like that one. So I already have my eyebrows done and my eyelids all concealed up. As for my primer, I use, ooh girl, that's pigmented. Ooh Lord, I did not expect that. Okay, girl took me off the subject. But for primer, I used Becca Matte poreless primer, and ooh, light. And this stuff is no joke. Like, if you do not rub it in all the way, you will be ashy. So please learn from me and rub it in all the way, okay? But it does work. I really like it a lot. That makeup does not move. Girl, this is, I would have definitely put this on a lot softer had I known. But let me add a little bit more on this side. Ain't nothing wrong with a little pigment, you know what I'm saying? I ain't mad at it. I am not mad at it. Okay, so for my crease, I'm thinking I want to do, is that Zora? I like this one. That's real cute. And today I want to do a halo eye, because I mean, why not? So I really want to pack that in to that crease area all the way around. Super duper ooper pigmented. Like, this is crazy. I love it. Oh man, oh man. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in and blend, because blending is key. It's the key to success. Just blend, girl. Blend. And I think I want to add some of this fez color in between it all. So let's do it. So I want to add this fez in between the two, just so it looks really seamless and blended. Pigment, girl, pigment. So now I definitely want to cut the crease. Get that LA Girl Pro Concealer in the medium beige color, and I just want to cut the crease. Like, I really rarely cut the crease because I always feel like it's so much work. Am I like the only one that feels that way? But it's so much work. But now, like, I really like all the looks, so I'm like, I guess I need to do it more. I don't know. Don't trip if they're not exactly the same or whatever like that, because girl, we gonna get into it. we're gonna get into it. Don't trip. I definitely want to set this concealer, and I'm gonna be using Sacha Buttercup. I use this stuff all the time. Like, girl, a lot of stuff you see me with, I'm gonna be using it all the time because I just like it. Okay. Don't worry. I'm gonna use this color Nomad. This pink sparkly color, I really like it. And I'm gonna use that on the outsides of my halo. So I'm gonna put it like all up here. After that, I want to use this Juvia color, and I don't want to put it in the center of it, but I want to put it more on the inside than the pink. So just watch, just wait on it. So I'm gonna put it right here. I really want to have that gradient look. So if you can tell, there's a little bit of space in the middle of that. So now I want to go in to that space, and I want to use this beautiful color called Aziza, this one right here, and I'm gonna go right into the middle of our halo. And then I'm gonna take more of this, and I'm gonna start blending colors together. So I'm gonna be using some NYX matte liquid liner in the color black, and I like to do a pretty thin line. Now I like to just personally fan it a little bit because I don't know, I've had those times where my eyeliner is still wet and then I do like a hard blink and then it ends up all up there, and then I'm mad and I just quit for the day. So I'm not even gonna try to do that, okay? I think it's good now. Next. I messed up a little bit on this one, but before I fix it, I want to let it dry, so I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to take some concealer. Just clean it up some. Alright, so now, since I have the eyeshadow and the eyeliner and all that on, I'll be right back because I'm about to go put on my lashes and put on my foundation and all that stuff, and my wig, girl, because I got to be cute. I might even change my outfit, who knows. So I'll be right back. See ya. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Got fully dressed. Had to slap the wig on. Had to do some big beautiful curls today, and yes, I made this wig myself. What lace? Where? How? Who? But anyways, so let's finish this look while I was gone. I made sure I put on my foundation and my lashes and highlighted a little bit. Got a little simple lip color. But right now, I just want us to finish this eye look because it's not done. You thought we was done? I wasn't done. All right, so I'm gonna go back into the palette and we're gonna finish this look. We're not even close. Yeah, we are close, but whatever. So I think I'm gonna go off with this. What color was that? Zora color again, right here. And I'm gonna put that under the eye. Girl, that is, these colors, like, they are lit. So I think underneath that, I'm gonna put this lava color again, and I'm just gonna put that right underneath it. Girl, I'm ready. Like, I'm ready. I'm about to just snatch me up a man, okay? I'm about to snatch me up somebody. But we're not done yet. So I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner. Use whatever you have. I use Maybelline. I just love it. I don't know. I've been using it for years. I stick to it. And then I'm gonna use some mascara, whatever you have, doesn't matter. Okay. So to top everything off, I want to put some highlighter underneath the brows and in the tear duct. So I'm gonna get my Bretman Rock Baby in Paradise, but I always use because I just love it. It's like every color just looks so good, like for no reason, just looks good. And I'm gonna use Vacation, this one right here in the middle. Use this stuff all the time. Like, I think it's definitely one of my faves, and I'm just a huge fan of Bretman Rock because he's just hilarious. My brows are like way thinner than I usually like. I mean, I think they look okay, but it's completely out of my comfort zone because the lady who usually does great waxed them too thin. Huh. Put that in the tear duct. Now that it's done, I'm gonna add some setting spray, and you gotta shake it. I read the instructions and stuff, so I shake. Okay, tell me to shake well, so I'm gonna shake it well. And I'm gonna be using Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. I love this stuff so much. Like, your makeup will not move, and I plan on being out all night, and I don't need this to move. Okay. Alright, this is my final look. I really like it. I think it's really youthful and cute and glowy. Let's get a closer look. Yes. Yes. Okay. And once again, all wigs you'll ever see me in are made by me. What lace? Where is it? Be your own hype man, all 2018. Girl, we in there. We in there. So, yeah. Oh, I'm really feeling that, girl. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. I don't need you to agree with me. I agree with me. Alright, you guys, have a nice night. And tune back into another video next week by me. And we'll get into the slapping and popping and all that good stuff. All right, bye.